of the Tesla wrap?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah?
I think this is great.
Yeah. Yo, what's going on, man? This your boy Acwrapss here with another video. Sorry about the lighting. I'm still trying to work on all the lighting on the camera and stuff like that. You know, there's some lighting here. It's pretty good. But make sure to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what you want to see and everything like that. Like this video, all that good stuff. Subscribe to the channel. Support the channel. You know what I mean? We're going to be doing a lot of wraps, journeys, and stuff like that. But today we have a Tesla Model 3 in the shop. It's going to be going in Avery Satin Black, I believe. Satin Black, no, not Satin Black, Satin Blast, something like that I think it's called. It's a really dope color, you'll see it. And just make sure to follow along the journey. Don't miss it out. Follow us on Instagram at Acwrapss with 2 S's at the end. ACWRAPSS. And then let's get to it, man. So here we have the brand new, almost brand new 2021 Tesla Model 3 going in for a full wrap. We just washed it, clay barred it, do all that good stuff. It's going to go in Avery Denizen material, Satin Blast. If you guys haven't worked with that material, it's a pretty good material. I like it, and this is what the customer wanted. She was tired of the white. She said, let's wrap it, something different. So she's going to go in a two-tone color, gloss black pillars on top with gloss black mirrors. So check that out, man. It's gonna look super dope. Imagine it, and it's gonna be done. Follow us on Instagram at Acwrapss. You guys already know. The color is looking super clean. It has little dings and stuff like that here and there, like right there. Right there. I'm still getting used to on the settings for the camera for the brightness. It's kind of bright outside. It's super hot outside right now. Right there too. But we might sand it. We'll see how it goes. You know, these Teslas, I heard that the paint is not so good. So, you know what I mean? I believe every car sometimes is not so good, but you know, that's just paint and wrap, you know what I mean? But this is the Tesla, got a custom plate, everything on it. The fitment looks a little bit kind of off right there to this one. You guys tell me. But anyways, guys, I just want to point things out just so I can be safe. You know what I mean? When you have a client, you want to check it out before they bring it in. Point out the little things that you see, and then whatever you don't see, make a video so you'll be safe. You know what I mean? So this is how it looks right now. We're gonna take a couple photos and it's gonna start wrapping. Today is Labor Day, so I'm gonna be in the shop for a little bit, go home to the family. Yes, sir. Also, another thing, yes, it's super hot here in Sacramento. It's like 100 and something degrees right now, man. We're sweating inside of the shop. That's why our hair's all messed up and stuff. Like, we're looking like a mess right now because it's freaking hella hot inside here. We're not trying to stay here that long, but I just want to make that clear because my hair's kind of messy. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking right now. I know you can still see a little bit of white of the inside, so we actually just cut it instead of putting in like the whole piece. So we cut the doors, you know, and everything like that, but we cut the whole thing first. Yeah, my hands look hella black, but anyways, the whole thing we laid down and we cut it, you know, doors and stuff like that. You can see a little bit of white right here under there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look, it's like coming off also, but tell me if I'm wrong. This should supposed to be like a black thing right there, right? Like a little protection thing, like over here. Take that out. Alright, look, there it is. Yeah, there it is. I have no idea why the other side doesn't have it, but I'm not sure, but we're just gonna put some black on top of there. I don't know what's going on under there. The car does have a little bit here and there spots that like are damaged on the Tesla. Like here, can't really see. I recorded outside once we finished everything. But what I should have done when I wrapped it, I should have left it a little bit in to tuck it in all the way inside. Now what I have to do, you know, it's not gonna look bad, but I gotta put a knifeless tape, you know what I mean, and lay it down. But I should have done it like this because there was extra more. Could I just opened the doors and tucked it all in, you know what I mean? There's many ways we could have done it, but still looks pretty good. I'm gonna fix it, you know what I mean? But comment down below how you do it on a Tesla like this, on Model 3. Because the Model Ys, I know they have like a little panel here, you know what I mean? So they don't really have all that. So that's what we have done right now. The pillars are gonna go gloss black with the side mirrors. So we're gonna finish right now the hood probably. It's already kind of late and kind of hot outside. So yeah. And plus I gotta go make some. I gotta order another wrap. I gotta wrap a truck. So that one's next. I got my boy Ascension right there, my cousin. Here's the bumper, all taken apart and stuff. So yeah. But comment down below how you wrap your Teslas and stuff like that in your shop or in your garage, you know what I mean? Also follow me on Instagram if you want to see all the process. That's where we usually post more, a little bit more. But this house looking right now, as it looks super good. The film that we're wrapping this whole Tesla Model 3 in is a Avery Satin Blast, I think it was called. It's like a mix of like satin black and gray, I believe. But this is how it's looking right now. It's better lighting outside right now. We got the not so good lighting right here. They're alright, they're pretty cool. But yeah. Alright guys, so here we have laid down the whole panel. The reason why is because I messed up when I was cutting the panel. I kind of flipped it over. Hey, what's going on guys? So this is the voiceover, and this was the wrong way to do it. This is the example, the picture I got for you guys, and it was a waste of material. I have no idea what I was thinking at the moment, but I'm explaining it right now. This way, and I cut it like this, you know, the doors. So it was flipped over when it's supposed to be like this because it's for this side. Now we have it right here, the point. But since it's flipped over, you guys already know, kind of guessed it. It's the opposite way. This one should be for the other side, but the other side's already done. So that's where I messed up because I didn't pay attention. This side is already all done. Side pillars is going gloss black. Now what I gotta do is I gotta cut out this whole thing. Make sure it's gonna fit the back bumper, and make sure it's gonna fit this side properly. Now I'm cutting it like this. This is the first time I should have done it. I should have realized it, but I didn't. I wasn't thinking. This is like probably the first time I ever messed up like that. I messed up on the hood and I messed up on a bumper. So that's why I have limited wrap now, and that never happened to me before because I'm always cautious of everything. But sometimes you gotta mess up, you know. But now the whole plan is laying like this, getting this panel, you know, which is gonna go like that, and then also getting the bumper, which I already measured. This should be good, and hopefully everything goes as planned. And because that's everything I got. My battery's about to die. Alright guys, so here it is, the Tesla Model 3 full wrapped already in satin blast with a little bit of a gloss black. This one right here, this customer, she came up with her own idea, and I liked it because she already knew what she wanted, and we went with this. That's the cool part. The thing about these cars, sometimes when they're white and stuff like that, they're kind of hard to cover up a lot of things, you know, like the inside and stuff like that. But this project looks really, really dope with the black license plate. She already had it like that. But man, does this look clean, man. We tried our best to not show anything on the white. We can't really do anything from the inside of there, but this thing is spanking, shining, bro. Satin with gloss, man. There's gonna be something new out there with the little bit of tint that we did there, tint on the front. But man, does this look super clean. It's a satin look. My favorite color is satin. I love the satin look. But this looks amazing, man. Let's get a little bit close up here, show you everything from the edges, and everything looks super crispy. The car did have a little bit of like issues I seen. They like took it to a body shop, I'm guessing they spray painted that over there. You see the white spray paint and stuff like that. So yeah, looks like it's been in an accident maybe, I'm not sure. But we made it happen, and here we are, man. So yeah, it's looking pretty good, man. We did a pretty great job on this project. I'm happy. Every Tesla that we do, every job that we do, we try our best. Even if there's an issue, we have to resolve it. We gotta fix it. Whatever we gotta do to make the customer happy, you know. Make sure to follow us on Acwrapss to see more photos and videos of this bad boy. Also on TikTok at Acwrapss too. Alright guys, just bear with me. I'm trying to show you guys how it looks indoor with the lighting from the inside. It looks super dope, man. I'm just waiting for the client here. I'm still trying to figure out the settings on the camera, like I said. You can look at all that color. But man, does this look good, man. I'm gonna try to record her reaction if I can. If she wants to be on YouTube, we'll see what's up. And hopefully she likes it. I'm pretty sure she is, because man, she's been waiting for this thing for a week. I can't wait to show, man. But this color looks insane, man. It looks like a little bit of brown, a little bit gray with a little bit green, black, you know what I mean? It looks super good. Super good. We did a really good job. The team that I have, we did a really good job. But man, imagine she got some rims. Damn, that'd be even dope. So we have the client here. So what do you think of the Tesla wrap?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah?
I think this is great.
Yeah? Do you like the two-tone color that you came up with? This is the first time, actually, the first client that tells me that how she wants it. Because I always get, what do you recommend? But you actually knew like what you wanted.
Oh, yeah,
so that's
yeah.
the cool part about it, and it makes
Yeah.
the process like faster.
I definitely
And the
knew
color,
what I wanted.
it looks amazing.
Yeah, it looks great. I love the two-ton. I'm glad that we did the gloss.
Sounds good. Man, it's your boy Acwrapss here, literally wrapping up the video. This is going to be the end of the video. I need to slow it down. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see in the videos. Hope you guys enjoy this project that we did on the Tesla Model 3. Damn, I need to go slower. But anyways, guys, follow us on all social medias. And comment down below if you were to do something like this, you know, the two-tone gloss black and the satin, you know, it's a really dope color. I've never done this one before. It's a great color. I love satin, you know what I mean? So stay tuned. Comment down below what you want to see and everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And wrapping it up. And I'll see you guys in the next one.